Gold prices are trying to claw their way higher after nearly a 3% sell-off on Monday. Anthony, how much damage was done to the gold price yesterday?
Well, believe it or not, Alex, it might not be evident by the sell-off itself, but a lot of that selling was met by some very good buying. We did have some very good support in that 1665 area and held there very nicely, rallied up to 1700. Now today is a options expiration for DEES, and 17 is it's a pinnacle strike. It's very good open interest. I don't think we're going to settle there, but that was a target yesterday. We took that out convincingly, and I think everybody for this long weekend is more or less going to just take a step back, flatten out, and see what happens after the holiday weekend.
So we could see more selling pressure this week, but it'll be sort of fake selling pressure, if you will?
I don't know about fake selling pressure, but yeah, there's probably just going to be some squaring up of positions. I don't think there's going to be a commitment of new shorts coming into the market. Myself, I'm a little tentative right now. I would look for a breakdown to about 1605, which is where this whole move started from, before I would step in to buy it.
After 1605, would you get bearish after that level?
Yes, 1605 and 1535 are my two major areas of support.
Is the gold price volatility simply, margin calls have to be met here and headline driven, or is there something else fundamentally going on here?
No, I don't think it's, margin calls and headline driven. There's a lot of price action, and price action is what brings us, the volatility. There's a lot of stuff going on here in the United States. The super committee, which is not really aptly named, not being able to make a decision. What's going on in Europe? All these European nations are just basically lining up for failure.
But gold should be higher on all those things.
Well, what happens with that is it depresses the euro. The dollar's stronger, the weaker euro, the lack of confidence globally, it's putting a little bit of pressure on the gold right now.
So would you say that you are cautious?
Cautious is a optimum word. Yes, cautious is the word for sure.
All right, thanks, Anthony. I really appreciate it. So cautious on gold prices. Look out for that volatility.